Canva is an awesome tool that helps you design professional-looking logos and images in just a few clicks. With Canva in Aweber, you can easily add those to your emails and landing pages. Come check it out. One way to use Canva in Aweber is to add a logo or an image to your email. Just click on the logo area here, and from the Design on Canva button, you can choose the size of the image or logo that you want to create before you even start designing. That way you're adding the right sized image to the right place. Once in Canva, it's just a few clicks to find some photos or images that you want to use to start building your logo. And for example, we'll use this background. Got that nice little food and vegetables at the bottom there. We'll resize the image using Canva's tools, super easy to use. And once we have our image just right, we'll go over to Uploads. I uploaded our logo for our business earlier. And we'll just rearrange that, maybe make that a little bit larger. Perfect. Once that's all set, all we got to do is click Save in Aweber. And our logo appears in our email. And from here we can even resize and edit the image a little bit if we need to. Canva is also a great tool to use in Aweber landing pages. So we'll just click up here at the top of the landing page. Again, we'll choose the size of the image we want. We'll make this like a header image. And Canva's easy to use tools makes it simple for us to pick from hundreds of different images and then add our own elements, like our logo that we had earlier. Here, we'll try another variation of our logo. So add our image. We'll just resize it a bit for this canvas. And then head back over to Uploads to add our logo. There we go. We'll just get it aligned just right. And again, just clicking Save to Aweber adds that image right onto our landing page. Now the Canva button works with any of our image elements. So even going back to our email, let's say we wanted to add another image to this email, we can scroll down a little bit, drag the image element over here from the drag and drop editor. And then use that Design on Canva button to again choose an image. This time we'll go with something, we'll do a square one, so it's going to be an image in the body of the email. Then we'll look for food. No, actually, instead of food, let's look for some cooking images. That's food related. Now what's really cool in Canva, not only can we use some of these images that they have available, I'll resize that, but they've also got fun little pre-designed elements we can add to these images to further give it a little bit of personality. I'll go over to Elements, and we'll type in happy. I'll grab that smiley face. We can add that right there, resize it a bit. We'll place it up here in the corner. And we can even give it a little bit of a tilt. Then again, save to Aweber. And our image appears right in our email. So what are you waiting for? Try designing your own logos and images today using Canva in Aweber. It's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.